The moment has arrived, your bags are out, ready to be filled for that much-anticipated trip. But wait, do you remember that time when you packed in haste, only to realize you had forgotten your toothbrush or that favorite pair of jeans? It's a common scenario indeed, but fret not. It's time to delve into the world of efficient packing and avoid those common pitfalls. First on the list is overpacking. It's a trap most of us fall into, thinking we need to prepare for every possible scenario. The solution? Stick to the basics. Pack versatile items that can be mixed and matched. Trust me, you won't need 5 pairs of shoes for a week-long trip. Next up is neglecting to check the weather. Nothing is worse than landing in a tropical paradise with a suitcase full of winter clothes. Always check the forecast and pack accordingly. The third blunder is not using packing cubes. These little lifesavers not only keep your suitcase organized, but also save a surprising amount of space. Number 4 is packing at the last minute. This often results in forgotten items and a chaotic suitcase. Always pack a few days in advance and double-check your items. Fifth is forgetting travel-sized toiletries. Bulky, full-size bottles take up unnecessary space. Opt for travel-sized versions or refillable mini bottles. The sixth mistake is not considering the weight limit. Overweight luggage can lead to hefty fees. Always weigh your suitcase before leaving for the airport. Seventh on the list is packing valuables in checked luggage. There's always a risk of luggage getting lost or items being stolen. Keep all valuables in your carry-on. The eighth blunder is forgetting an extra bag for laundry. This can lead to clean and dirty clothes mixing. Always pack a foldable laundry bag. Ninth is ignoring the local culture. Packing inappropriate clothing can be disrespectful in certain countries. Do a little research about the local customs and dress code. Last but not least, the 10th mistake is not leaving room for souvenirs. You'll likely want to bring back gifts or mementos. Always leave a little extra space for these treasures.